Okay, just want to show you this Promaster 80-200mm f4.5 lens. It's a constant aperture lens throughout the zoom. See, you can see the lens. Show you the back. It's an FD mount for this one. So yeah, show you the aesthetics. Can zoom. Can focus. Yeah. I think you can do macro. So as it wrote. Did it write here? No, it didn't write macro. There's no macro. Hey, yeah, there's a macro. So you can do some macro shots with this. Besides that, let me show you the glass now. Okay. Let me put this on the FD mount proper. Okay. So the aperture, let me put f22. So the blades, they work. Let me put a manual focus for you. Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay. Let me turn off manual focus. Okay, now I'm gonna do the shine test as usual. Let me shine the light. Okay. Okay. Let me show you a control subject. This is a new Yongnuo 51.8 lens. So I assume that it's okay. So this is how it looks like. Yep. So there you go, this lens, I'm selling it. Anything you can ask me lah. Thanks everyone.